What's going on, guys? John with the Pro Cut, and today for our tool unboxing review, we've got the Klein pliers wrench. This is my first step into the plier wrench category, and these Kleins were $49.99 at Depot currently, and they are manufactured and made in the USA with some global components. So let's go ahead and get these open and show you guys what they're all about. All right, so they've got a black finish on them. They do have a US patent. Their mechanism is going to be push button down here, which is kind of cool. Instead of just having the button to push up here, this actually pulls up, so it's different than the other units. Oh, look at that too. Okay, hold on a second. I thought, never mind. All right, now you'll notice with this, it's going to be a little bit different than your standard pliers wrenches. And that's because Klein went ahead and took an idea and upgraded it to make it more versatile and, you know, better or worse. It could go either way. We're going to do some testing with this. And so you'll notice on the lower jaw, it's got some teeth on this bottom side of it. And what that allows you to do is, if you pull this to the lowest position and pull your handles up, you're able to there we go. You're able to slide this piece down, flip it over, and then put it back into position. And now you've got more of a Cobra style grip than just the smooth bore, so you can get a better grip on your pipe, nut, bolt, fastener, whatever you're working with. And it does have your laser etched in here, your adjustments for the size, and it goes to a max of 2 inches for your opening. And then when you're opening and closing, you're getting a parallel gripping action. So it makes it really good for working with nuts and bolts. It is a little fiddly to get this thing opened all the way to flip it. But I definitely think it adds value and versatility to the tool because you're able to do more than one thing with it. So even though it's a little fiddly to flip that, it saves you buying that other set of pliers potentially. So with one tool, you're getting 2 functions instead of 1 function. And at $50, it's fairly decent value for your dollar. So we're going to take and put these to the test over the next few weeks and see what we think about them. Like I said, I've never owned a set of plier wrenches before. So basically this is going to replace your adjustable wrenches, or more commonly known as a crescent wrench. So I'm looking forward to using these. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see me do anything with these. Let's not get too crazy. I bought these with my own money and I'm not trying to tear them up. But if you're wanting to see if something can be done with them, if I can accommodate that, I'll give it a try. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. So here's our Klein D53010s, and we're gonna give these things a try now, see if they are able to kind of ratchet around here as well. Not quite as ratchety feeling as the Parrot nose, but definitely make a very firm purchase on here, and with the smooth face it doesn't mar this up too much at all. And then let's give this a try on just the copper itself. It does flatten it right out, of course, but it gets a decent grip on it as well. And our Klein pliers wrench, we'll see if this actually works really well on this. Tightened it way up, and then now of course it doesn't want to come back loose after I've tightened it very far. So we'll take and flip this around to the other position. And then try it again. That thing has got a firm grip on it now. All right. So there you have it. Okay, now let's try these Klein plier wrenches on this coupling on the back of my tractor. That's typically where I'm using my channel or crescent wrench, my adjustables. So that works very well for breaking that loose. And then flip it around the other way and crank it on tight. And it's very unlike the adjustable pliers where you constantly got to fiddle with that knob. These seem to be way better for that. So this is exactly why I bought these pliers, and they appear to do exactly what I want them to do. Very cool. So thanks for watching this series. All these tools were bought and paid for by John at the Pro Cut. None of these were freebies from the manufacturers.